Hi, treasures. I'm taking a little break, and the boss Curly is going to cut us some bok choy since before they go bad, the leaves are still dark, so we're taking them, and we're going to have us a salad later. So, what you want to do, Curly? You don't want to take the center. No. You don't want to cut it there. Look. See how dark this one is right here?
Yeah.
Cut it. Or you can even just pull it off. Cut it off. Whoa, and then you got to reach them to me. My little. Whoa. Don't rip my leaves. Because they're just going to go to... No, not there. At the bottom of it. Right here at the bottom. You can just... No. Right down here. Oh, I see what you're doing. Right down here.
Come on.
Just... Let me see these scissors. Get your hand down there.
No.
On that one. Just pull off this piece right there. Twist it. Now twist it. Can you get it?
Mm-mm.
Oh, get that off there. Get it off there.
No.
Take it and just put it right here. See? Pull it off.
I'm going to bust it.
Just do it. You ain't going to break it. There you go. Get us some more.
Hand me that.
Right here's one.
Hand me that.
The scissors?
Yeah.
You just like cutting. Here. I can't even see where you're at. Yeah, clip that one off. I'd rather them not hit the ground, but we got to wash them anyways. Did you get that for me?
Yeah.
Get me some more. No, we don't cut that one because we want to get the seeds. Get this one right here. Clip it. One more time. Thank you. Let's see what else we can grab off this one.
This one.
Wait.
Yeah, all.
Here we go. Let's work on this some.
No.
Clip this one off right there.
Oh, God.
No, you're getting the stem. There you go. Yum, bok choy. I wanted to make kimchi. I guess we will next time. Right down here on this side. Nah, yeah.
This.
You ain't got it around it. Here, let me turn the plant around for you. Get it off that one. Don't you dare cut the stem. Right here. Okay, right here. Cut it down there. Thank you. And go ahead and cut this one off over here. Hey, you get off my stem. This one. You're just trying to worry me, aren't you? Nice. Okay. That one's good enough for now. I got to water it to... No, that's a little one. Just leave that one. Let's pull this one out. Right here. Not the stem. Yeah.
Hold it.
Go ahead. This one. No, not my stem. Hey, that was my finger. Down. Oh, yeah. Go ahead. Got my finger, boy. Hey, that's my finger. Look. You see the difference? Right up here.
Move.
Let me turn it around. Don't get my stem. You got it on my stem. Down, low as you can. That'll work.
Down.
No, I want this one right here.
Bend down.
You ain't done. Keep it going.
Bend down.
You're on my stem.
Yeah, man, happy.
Well, get over it. You ain't gonna be happy.
Wow. Bend down.
Are you finished?
Yeah.
Can we show them what you got off so far? Uh-oh. There you go. That's going to be salad. What do you say? Love you, treasures. And we will see y'all on the next one. Remember, you're beautiful and keep on smiling.